My name is Patrick. Like and subscribe to my channel.
And what you doing today?
Riding my dirt bike.
You gonna ride your dirt bike?
Yep.
Yep. You gonna go real fast?
Yep.
Okay, tell everybody how old you is.
5.
Yep, you 5. Yep, 5 years old riding the dirt bike, y'all. You know, safety first, PJ. Y'all put your helmet on. Go ahead and put your helmet on.
What?
Pull it down. You got it down. Make sure. It's tight, y'all, so we really don't need to scrap it. Just shit.
Ow.
There you go. All right. Always remember safety first, kids. Being that we're not gonna be going in the road or, you know, too crazy with it. He don't need any type of else gear. And plus, I'm gonna be right here beside him the whole time, y'all. So yeah, got that in there. All right, you ready? You ready to let it rip?
Yeah.
One pull, half a pull. Come on. All right, turn this way. Hey, PJ. You can't get scared now. You ain't doing nothing wrong. You not gonna fall. Turn around right. Come on. Turn. One more time. Y'all, he got to get back used to it, y'all. He haven't rolled in a while. I'm trying to get him out of his fear. Cause like I'm gonna drop some clips on how he used to ride it a while ago. You wanna go one more time? All right, go ahead. But yeah, y'all, I'm trying to get him out of his fears, y'all. He used to ride hard, but it had stopped working. Then like it's like he got to get back in his muscle memory. He just scared right now, and I think I got to readjust the training wheels again, so that way it won't spin as much. Focus him. time. See, the more I keep telling him, you want to do it one more time, he'll shake his head, yeah. You got to train them up young, y'all. I know that's not focus, y'all. I don't know why my iPhone won't focus like that. What do you want? Oh, you through? You done? I'm about to have them park it, y'all. All right. Good job, PJ. Yep. Oh, you got to unbutton it. Look at mommy over there, y'all.
Make sure you subscribe to It's Patrick.
You did good, son. You did good.
Good
Now
job, buddy.
we can go in the house and talk about it now, okay? How you feel? You happy that you roll now? Huh? You gonna get back used to it, buddy. Come on.
You did good, bud.
You mad now, y'all. But it's gonna be okay. Guess what? 2 times a day, get the scaredness away.
That's right.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut this back on in a minute.